Okay, so today we're going to look at the equation of a line. The equation of a line, so that's on page 445. So if we read it here, the equation of a line gives us information on how the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate of every point on the line are related to each other. For example, consider the equation x plus y equals 6. The equation tells us that for every point on this line, the x-coordinate added to the y-coordinate equals 6. Therefore, points on this line would include 0, 6, because if you add them together you get 6. 6 and 0, again you add it together you get 6. 1 and 5, so it could be 1 and 5, that would give you 6. 5 and 1 will give you 6, 2 and 4. So any combination of x and y that would give you 6. Okay, so L is the line 3x minus y is equal to 7. You're asked to find 3 points on the line L, sketch the line, find the slope of the line and investigate if 100, so the point 100 and 293 is on the line. Okay, so to find 3 points on line, we randomly select values for x and y. So you can pick whatever number you want. Obviously, you'd pick a single digit number because otherwise you're just making it very hard for yourself. Substitute in the given equation to find the corresponding coordinate. So here we have your line is 3x minus y is equal to 7. We're going to let x equal 5. So what we're going to do then is we're going to sub in for 5 for x and work out what y is when x is equal to 5. So 3 times 5, so replace an x with 5, minus y is equal to 7. That gives me 15 minus y is equal to 7. So I want to get y on its own, so I bring all the numbers over to the left. So minus y is equal to 7 minus 15. Minus y is equal to minus 8. Multiply both sides by minus 1 because you're not asked for minus y, you're asked for positive y, and that equals 8. So when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8, and that's a point on the line. Now the next one in the example they picked is let y equal to 5. You could have said 3, you could have said 2, any number, but just make sure you keep it within the single digits. 3x minus 5, so I'm replacing my y with 5 is equal to 7. 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. So bringing all my numbers over to the right hand side, 3x is equal to 7 plus 5. We know that minus 5 becomes a plus when we bring it over to equals. 3x is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. So then we divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 4. So we have the point 4, 5. So when y is equal to 5, x is equal to 4. Okay, the next number they picked was 3. So let x equal 3. 3 times 3, replacing the x with 3, minus y is equal to 7. 9 minus y is equal to 7. Minus y is equal to 7 minus 9. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Multiply both sides by minus 1 because we want y, not minus y. Y is equal to 2, so we have our point 32. Okay, so now we're asked part 2 to sketch the line. So once you have 2 points, you can sketch a line. So we plot the 3 points that we've just found and we draw the line. Then the last thing that it asks us to do is investigate if the point 100, so x is equal to 100, y is equal to 293 is on the line L. Okay, so what we do here is we just label our x. They've done it along the side here, but I just do x1, y1, x2, y2. It's quicker than writing them all out here. Oh, sorry, I'm after skipping a point there actually. Sorry, I missed we're not on the investigate, we're on part 3. Find the slope of L. Okay, so again, we have you can pick any of the 2 points that you have there. They've picked the 4 and 5 and the 5 and the 8, but you could have picked the 3 and the 2 either. It doesn't matter, you'll get the same answer. So we're using our formula. Y is equal to y2 minus y1, our slope formula, x2 minus x1. We just sub in, so m means slope, stands for the symbol for slope in maths. So y2, so 8 minus 5y1 all over x1 x2, which is 5, minus x1 is 4, give you 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. So the slope is 3. Now we want to investigate if this point is on the line. So basically, if you get your answer, you can see here, it's equal, both sides are equal, then it's on the line. If both sides aren't equal, so example, if you had 6 is equal to 7, obviously they're not equal, it's not on the line. So you should substitute x and y into this line here. So we're still using the same equation of a line. We're given 3x minus y is equal to 7. Now, put the 100 in place of x, so 3 times 100, minus 293, replacing y with 293 is equal to 7. So that's 300 minus 293 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7, so therefore it is on the line. Okay, so you might want to replay the video a few times to go over that. Now, question 1. Which of these lines passes through 1, 2? Show clearly how you got your answer. Okay, so I'm just going to start out. So it's question 1. And we'll do the first one there, which is, so our point that we're looking at is 1, 2. So that's our x and that's our y. Okay, so the first line we're given to see if the point, see if this line goes through the point is 2x plus y is equal to 4. So we're going to sub in for x and y, and if both sides are equal, then the line does pass through this point. If it's not equal, then it doesn't. Okay, so 2 times 1, x is 1, plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 equals to 4. Therefore, line 2x plus y equals 4 does go through the point 1, 2. Okay, that's the first one done. I'll do the next one with you and then I'll let you work on your own. So it's, so again our point is 1, 2, so that's my x, that's my y. And our line this time is x plus y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. That's 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, line x plus y is equal to 3 does go through the point 1, 2. Okay, actually I'll just do one more with the, so the next one then is 1, 2, x1, y1, and the line that we're dealing with this time is 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 5. That's sub in the point. So we'll have 2 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. That's 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 is equal to 5. So we know 4 isn't equal to 5, so we put our line through it. So that means 4 does not equal 5. Therefore, line 2x plus y equals 5 does not go through point 1, 2. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to do the rest of question 1, so you've got 2 more to do here. Then question 2, which is the same, x plus y equals 2, and you sub in, this time you're given the point minus 1, 3, so watch your minuses. Then in question 3, it says, in each case below, find 4 points on the line and sketch the line. Okay? Okay, so we're doing question 3, part 1, x plus y is equal to 5. And we want to find 4 points on the line, okay? So we'll start off with picking any number. So let x equal 1. Right, so we're subbing in for x. So 1 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 1. Bring over the 1 becomes a minus. Y is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. So that's our first point done. Now we'll do let x equal 2. So now we're subbing into our equations. We have x plus y is equal to 5. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 2. Y is equal to 3. So therefore our point is when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So we have 1, 4 and we have 2, 3. Okay, so they asked for 4. This time we'll do let y equal, doesn't matter if you pick x or y, it's going to work out the same. So y is equal to 3. Okay, so our equation is x plus y is equal to 5, sorry. And we're letting y equal 3, so it's x plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 3. X is equal to 2, so that's our point, 2, 3. Now actually that's the same point as up here, but it doesn't matter, we only need so we only need 2 points to draw a line anyway, so we'll have 3. So let y equals 6. So we have x plus y is equal to 5. X plus 6 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 6. X is equal to minus 1. So we have minus 1 and 6. Okay, so if you're not sure, make sure that you replay the video. So we now have 3 points. We have 1 and 4, 2 and 3. This is also 2 and 3, and minus 1 and 6. So now we have to draw our x and y axes and we have to plot it. Okay, so I have my graph drawn out, I label it x and y. And my highest x value, so you've got 1, 2, 2. So my highest value is 2, so I really only needed to go up as far as 3. You always go 1 ahead of the highest value that you have. And then we have 4, 3, 3 and 6. So my highest y value is 6 and my lowest is minus 1. Okay, so we're going to plot the first point, 1, 4. So 1 on the x-axis and 4 on the y. So that's here. Then we're going to plot the next one, which is 2, 3. So 2 on the x and 3 on the y. Okay, then we have 2, 3 again, so that's the same one. And then we have minus 1, 6. So minus 1 and 6. Okay, so now I have 3 points. So I'm just going to draw the line. Now, okay, sorry about that. I had it down. I didn't realize it was still playing. Okay, so now I want you to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, doing it the exact same way. Okay, so let your x and y equal whatever numbers you want them to equal. Get your points and then plot your line. Okay.